Dear students, let's see here Karnataka University Dharwad NEP BSc first semester DSc chemistry syllabus. Totally you have 4 units. In that first unit is atomic structure and periodicity of elements. Learning points are, first one is review of Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's theory, hydrogen atomic spectra, derivation of radius and energy of an electron in hydrogen atom, limitations of Bohr's theory, dual behavior of matter and radiation, de Broglie's equations, Heisenberg's uncertainty principle and their related problems, quantum mechanics, derivation of Schrödinger wave equation for hydrogen atom and meanings of various terms in it, significance of psi and psi square, radial and angular wave functions, atomic orbitals and their distribution curves for 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p and 3d orbitals, only graphical representation, radial and angular nodes and their significance, quantum numbers and their significance, orbital shapes of s, p, d and f atomic orbitals, nodal planes, rules for filling electrons in various orbitals, electronic configurations of the atomic number up to 54, concept of exchange energy, anomalous electronic configurations, IUPAC nomenclature of elements with atomic number greater than 100. These all are simple points are here. In this, very most important points are Rutherford's atomic model, Bohr's theory, hydrogen atomic spectra, derivation of radius and energy of electron in hydrogen atom, Schrödinger equation and quantum numbers as well as electronic configuration. In that again subunit is periodicity of elements. Brief account on the following properties of elements with reference to S block, P block and trends in groups and periods, effective nuclear charge, screening effect, Slater's rule, atomic and ionic radii, ionization enthalpy, electron gain enthalpy, electronegativity, Pauling or Allred-Rocco scales and numerical problems wherever applicable. These all are the points regarding to the unit number 1. Second unit is fundamentals of organic chemistry and stereochemistry. In that, the first subunit is the fundamentals of organic chemistry, review of hybridization, that is sigma and pi bonds, IUPAC nomenclature of polyfunctional organic compounds, comparative study of bond lengths, bond angles, bond energies and dihedral angles, bond polarity, dipole moment and illustration with examples of organic compounds, delocalization, electron displacement effects and their applications, inductive effect, electromeric effect, resonance effect, hyperconjugation and steric effect. Next one is organic reaction mechanism, definition, classification of organic reactions, substitution reaction, addition reaction, elimination reaction, rearrangement, oxidation and reduction reactions with suitable examples. Next point is use of curved arrows, types of bond fission, electrophiles, nucleophiles, nucleophilicity, nucleophagacity and basicity, reactive intermediates, energy profile diagram, structure, formation and stability and reactions of carbocations, carbanions, free radicals and carbons. It is a very lengthiest unit is there because remaining part is of unit 2 stereochemistry. In that the first point is stereoisomerism, definition of stereoisomerism, conformational isomers and configurational isomers, differences between conformation and configuration, Newman, Sahas and Fischer projection formula and their interconversions. Next, geometrical isomerism, definition, reason for geometrical isomerism, E and Z notation, CIP rules and examples, determination of configuration of geometric isomers by dipole moment method and anhydride formation method, syn and anti isomers in compounds containing C double bond N. Next, optical isomerism, chirality, asymmetry, enantiomerism, diastereoisomerism and meso compounds, R and S notations, D and L configurations, trio and erythro nomenclature, racemic mixture and racemization, resolution, definition, resolution of racemic mixture by mechanical separation, formation of diastereomers, biochemical methods, biological significance of chirality, problems are related to this concept. Okay, and next third unit that is gaseous state. A review of kinetic theory of gases, van der Waals equation of state, boil temperature, molecular velocity, Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution law of molecular velocities, most probable, average and root mean square velocities, relation between RMS, average and most probable velocity and average kinetic energies, law of equipartition energy, collision frequency, collision diameter, collision cross section, collision number and mean free path and coefficient of viscosity, calculation of sigma and eta, variation of viscosity with temperature and pressure, critical phenomenon, Andrews isotherms of CO2, critical constants and their determination of relation between critical constants and van der Waals equation. Here continuity states, law of corresponding states, numerical problems are to be solved wherever applicable. Next point is here, that is liquid state, molecular forces and general properties of liquids, surface tension, surface energy, effect of temperature on surface tension, shapes of liquid drops and soap bubbles, capillary action, determination of surface tension by capillary rise method, drop weight and number drops method using stalagmometer, effect of temperature on surface tension, Parachore, additive and constitutive properties, atomic and structural Parachore, elucidation of structure of benzene and benzoquinone. Next point is viscosity. Definition, viscosity coefficient, fluidity, molecular viscosity, relative viscosity and absolute viscosity, determination of coefficient of viscosity using Ostwald viscometer, effect of temperature, size, weight, shape of molecules and intermolecular forces. Next, refractive index. Definition of refractive index, specific and molar refraction, determination of refractive index using Abbe's refractometer, additive and constitutive properties, elucidation of structure of molecules, numerical problems are to be solved wherever applicable. Last unit is, that is analytical chemistry. Introduction to analytical chemistry and its interdisciplinary nature, concept of sampling, accuracy, precision, selectivity and sensitivity, method validation, types and sources of errors in analytical measurements, representation of experimental data and results from the data of view of significant figures. In that the first point is, that is titrimetric analysis. Means a first subtopic point is titrimetric analysis, principle, classification, normality, molarity, molality, mole fraction, ppm, ppb, etc. Standard solutions, preparation and dilution of reagents by using N1V1 equal to N2V2 formula. Next, acid-base titrimetry, theory, titration curves for all types of acid-base titrations. Next, redox titrimetry, theory, balancing redox equations, titration curves, theory of redox indicators and applications. After that one, precipitation titrimetry, theory, titration curves, indicators for precipitation titrations involving silver nitrate, Wohlhard and Morse methods and their differences. Last one is complexometric titrimetry, theory, titration methods employing EDTA, direct, back, displacement and indirect determinations. Indicators for EDTA titrations, theory of metal ion indicators, determination of hardness of water and numerical problems. This is all regarding to DSC chemistry first semester NEP syllabus.